support. Nasa kamay ng aking employer. Humingi ako ng tulong sa Philippine Embassy, ayaw ako intindihin. Mga magulang at
headed by Philippines for Jesus movement. On May 17, but a summon for a retrial.
Na magkaroon ng worldwide support.
We appeal to the national government of the Philippines to dispatch immediately the best legal minds in the country at government's expense to the Filipino community. Let us unite behind Flor. Let us unite behind Flor.
Sa PJM Commission at Ino-document po namin ang mga ebidensya.
Yung mga anak naniniwala, walang pag-aalinlangan, walang pagdududa ng buong kalangitan ay bukas para sa iyong mga anak.
Jesus Christ is the Lord of all. Jesus Christ is Lord of all. Jesus Christ is the Lord of all. He is the Lord of everything. He is the Lord of everything. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus.
Sige po, dadagdagan po natin ang galit ng ating mga kaaway, ang mga demonyo.
It is the responsibility of the Philippine government to ensure that its migrant workers are protected, their rights safeguarded in countries they are working in. If it cannot provide even that, it should stop its program of exporting labor and using migrant workers' remittances to prop up its economic instability.
And she also assured us that perhaps in the light of new evidence on the contemplation case, that perhaps the case may be reopened.
Sabi po nila ang nakalagay po sa GRUI, January 30 po no,
meron pa nga. Kaya huwag ng isang bagay na gusto pa namin makapili ng taga lang gusto pa namin siyang makalaya. Ganun.